Hey Coaster Crew fans, checking in from SeaWorld Orlando once again for another icebreaker update for you guys. I was off last week because we were at IAPA, and we did lots of videos there, so if you want to check out some train unveilings, just go down the list on our YouTube page and you'll see them down there. Not a lot of work has got done here since my last update. Maybe a couple pieces of track here and there, but looks like they might be more working on structures of the buildings and whatnot. So but the spike is done as previously reported, and of course some track work has gone up, not a lot. Alright guys, hopefully on my next update I will have more track work done to show you guys. But in the meantime, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to get all of our notifications. And of course, follow us on Facebook and Twitter and also Instagram. And we'll see you guys real soon.